Hi, my name is Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. Today I'm going to be showing you the 8 new butter glosses from NYX. These are the special ones though. These were for their 25th birthday. These are the Butter Gloss Bling. So basically they have sparkles in them and they leave sparkles on your lips once the color has worn off. I love sparkles, so I had to have all of them, of course, and I've really been enjoying these. I haven't tried all of them out yet, but I'm going to swatch all of them for you today on my arm and on my lips and give you my thoughts, describe the colors, tell you which ones I've been using. The first one, 01, is called Bring the Bling, and it looks like a champagne-y kind of gloss with maybe some champagne gold and pink sparkles in it. So let's see what that looks like. It's probably going to be very light and not have much pigment. Yeah, but it is pretty. And it depends on what you're looking for, of course. There we have it on my lips. And then I will show it to you here. So you can see as I am wiping this away, the sparkles get left behind, which is fine with me. The next one, 02, is Dripped Out. So this one is a light peachy coral, and I have tried this one before. So again, this one is pretty light, but you can see it's more pinky peachy than the last one. And then I'll show you on my arm. Number 3 is Pricey. This one's kind of like a neutral burnt orange, almost like amber, and has amber to, I want to say like there's even a couple little green sparkles in there. So these are going to start getting a little bit darker, a little bit more pigment. And obviously if you put more on, you'll get more color. Less, you'll get less. I have tried this one out before. This one I haven't tried. This is 04 Pay Me in Gold. So this looks to be like a medium brown gold kind of color. Same sparkles, I would say, as the last one. Maybe a little more cool toned. Yeah, definitely more cool toned. All right, this one here, 05, is probably my favorite. She Got Money. This one is pink, but there's something that's almost a little bit coral about it. You'll see. And then I'll show you on my arm. These are easy lip swatches. I know some things aren't. Okay, another one of my favorites, of course, is like an orangey one. This one's deeper than the others. This is 06, and they call it Shimmer Down, which I thought was interesting because if you remember the Shimmer Down lip veils, one of my favorite lip products was one of those. And I feel like my favorite one was similar to this color. It was the like really shiny coral one. This is deeper, browner, but I don't know. The connection made me feel good about it. So here's this one. Number 7. This one is Big Spender. I like this one as well. This one's kind of like a cranberry with a little plum undertone maybe, or a plum tone to it. I would say this is one of my favorites as well. And the last one is Hustla. That's how it's spelled. This one is kind of similar to that one, but this one has more of a brown to it. I do like this one too. Like, I feel like if you're a Clinique Black Honey, or what's the other one? Tarte Honeysuckle fan, I feel like you would like this one and the one before it. I do like this one better though, because it has more color, of course. Here are all these swatches, and I will show you the other way as well. So these act like any other butter gloss. The only difference is they have a little bit of sparkle in them. I feel like you can't see it too much on the camera, but it's definitely there. Like, is it glaring? No, but I do feel like it's a little bit more than subtle. Like I said, I love sparkles, so I've been enjoying them. I've missed glittery lip gloss, so this is fine for me. You know, you have to reapply it, of course. Will you get a white line? Sure, sometimes. But if you like and know the butter glosses and you want something with sparkle, then these are a good pick for you. If you don't like sparkle, these are not a good pick for you. And like I said, they don't so much leave a stain of color behind, but they do leave the glitter behind. They are comfortable to wear. They have that like slight vanilla scent that the butter glosses have. My only complaint would be that, like, the range of colors. So again, I'm someone who likes more pigment, so, you know, the fact that these two are super light and then some of these are kind of neutral, I definitely think they should have made a red one. I think that would have been nice. I'm surprised they didn't do one that's maybe more purple or maybe like a stronger orange, because you saw that like this was still pretty neutral and then this one was still pretty light. I feel like there's a lot of brown and beige going on in here. So that would be my one complaint. But that being said, I have been using these a lot since I started taking them out of my haul box, which is another video that I will show you because I got these on an Ulta haul. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a good day no matter what it is you're doing. Bye. See you next time.